Naima Sedegah, and I'm the senior psychologist here at Alexandria Youth Network. Been with the agency, has been a few months, but I've been working as a mental health clinician for over 20 years. Parents can explain emotions and teach children about emotions in ways that they can understand by one of the number one tools is to model that behavior for your children, or your child. So what I mean by modeling is by you expressing your own feelings and your own emotions and labeling those feelings and emotions and talking about them in depth with your children or your child. And that could be by telling them that you had a rough day at work in a way that's kind of an educational, hey, sometimes days are rough and mommy had to do this or dad had this experience, in a way that they're able to, number one, see that you're human and none of us are robots, and that this is a normal thing. This is a normal experience. So talking to your children about your own emotions, your own feelings, in a way that's helpful, and modeling that behavior, and talking about emotions that are pleasant. It doesn't always have to be a bad experience. It could be, mommy's really happy today. I got a raise at work, and that means we could go out to dinner. And then, talking about that emotion in general can help educate the child on expressing their own emotions. And so that's like the number one tool that parents can use to teach their children about emotions, is to just model behavior in a healthy way. It's okay to cry sometimes, and I know some people don't feel, or certain cultures I should say, don't express particular emotions as readily as they do others, and that could be a cultural thing. But I think in terms of having the child be able to summarize their own emotions and allowing them to have their own feelings is important, regardless of what background you come from. So just normalizing that and saying that we all have feelings, all of us, and it's a normal thing. And I think the number one tool is to model how the emotion can be expressed in a healthy manner. And so being able to teach children how to, number one, label what they're feeling, and then how to express that in a healthy way is, I think, the number one way that parents can talk to children about it.